Hey, hello and welcome to Registry tutorials. Registry is generally a database used to store the options for 32-bit Microsoft Windows, including 95, 98 XP. Whenever you change anything in a control panel, it gets reflected into the registry files rather. Physically, the files that make up a registry are stored in some local drives. Those files that generally have extensions .bak, .dat. We will talk about that files later. Now, these are the control panel as you can see, and changing any single option will be reflected into the registry file. Now, but the question is, where are these registry files located? For this, you need to go to the Start option. Ignore this. These are the tricks which you will taught in some later versions. Go here, press Run, type reg edit and press enter. You will be given access to this window which contains this 5 main files. Now these 5 main files are known as hides. H-I-D-E-S. Each hides contain a key. As you can see from here, this hides contain this kind of keys, and each key contain a subkey. These are the keys and these are the subkeys, as you can see, and each subkey contains some value or some files which may be in binary format or in string format. Generally these files are kept in binary format and strings are avoided in this case. Now as you can see, there are 5 files, so each file must have some specific usage. Excuse me. The first is the HKey class root. This folder handles the drag and drop feature of the window, OLE import, shortcut, and the core aspects of window interface. Moving from this, we come to HKey current user. For this current user, the user who is logged into the computer right now, the details of that user are placed in this kind of files. For example, the login details, the desktop settings, and the start menu settings are placed in these files. As you can see, the application events, control panel, all details of the current user, that is me, is logged in this place. Moving from it, we move to the HKey local machine. Now what does this HKey local machine contain? It contains some computer specific infos about hardware, software, which will be used by all the users. That is, if my machine contains 5 users, then all 5 users will share the same infos. That is, HKey local machine will be shared by the 5 users. After that comes the HKey user. HKey user contains the details of each individual user. Each user is represented here by a SID key located under this main branch. You can see this SID keys, S1518, S1519. Each contains the details of a specific user. See this, it contains application events, control panel. Another thing, it contains also the application event control panel, but these two are for different users. Moving from this, we come to HKey current config. This section generally links the machine, that is the HKey local machine, with the HKey current user. It generally links which user is currently logged into the machine and what kind of resources he is going to use. By editing this 6 hides, you can get anything you want on the display of your console. For example, starting from this process to removing the welcome message and printing anything, you can do all these things by using this registry edition. Now, this is the way to go to a registry. Now there must be a way to create a shortcut on a desktop. What is the way? Right click on the desktop in any empty position, go to new, go to shortcut, then write regedit.exe in the location box. Go to next, type the name that you are going to use. For me, I am using Registry editor. Click finish. You will get a box as you can see here. Just click on the Registry editor. See, it's open. It's the same window that I opened using the run process. So you are now getting a Registry editor on your desktop. This is a shortcut. Now further details will be discussed on next issues of the tutorials. Till then, keep enjoying. Thank you for watching it.